Jenny, a young woman from a fast-paced urban life, feels disconnected from her surroundings, longing for a deeper sense of purpose and community. One day, she encounters the concept of Ubuntu, an African philosophy that emphasizes interconnectedness and collective well-being. Intrigued by this, she decides to visit South Africa to explore how this philosophy has shaped the lives of its people. Jenny lands in Johannesburg, where she meets Thabo, a local community leader who embodies the spirit of Ubuntu. Thabo explains that Ubuntu means "I am because we are." It signifies the interconnectedness of all people and the importance of collective well-being over individual success. Jenny begins to participate in the daily life of the community, learning how South African people practice Ubuntu, whether it's sharing meals, solving problems together, or supporting one another in times of need. She witnesses how the people's lives are deeply rooted in collective spirit and mutual respect. Jenny is taken to a community center where people come together to support one another during tough times. She learns how the struggles of the past, including the history of apartheid, have shaped the South African people's resilience to stay united. Ubuntu is a response to adversity where one person suffers, the entire community suffers, so they rise together. The community hosts a gathering where people share their stories of pain and triumph. Jenny, moved by the emotional power of collective healing, begins to understand the true depth of Ubuntu. It's not about being together during good times but also supporting each other through the toughest of times. As Jenny continues her journey through South Africa, she witnesses how Ubuntu extends beyond the individual community. She visits schools, businesses, and even political leaders who are united by the idea that a strong, unified society is built on the foundations of respect, compassion, and mutual support. Jenny realizes that this philosophy is a global remedy for isolation and division. On her final day in South Africa, Jenny reflects on how deeply Ubuntu has transformed her. She understands now that true fulfillment comes from lifting others up and that her sense of purpose is tied to the well-being of those around her. She returns home determined to spread the lessons of Ubuntu in her own life. Jenny returns to her city with a new understanding of life. She starts to apply the lessons of Ubuntu in her relationship, her work, and her community involvement. She realizes that by fostering a spirit of unity and caring for others, she becomes a part of something much greater than herself.